Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to configure the text background color and adding the animation in WinCC SCADA. This can enhance your visualization and make critical information stand out. Let's jump right in. So here you can see, suppose our client requirement, they want to display a text over the pump. Once the text, some critical information is activate. For example, the pump trip is activate. They want some text to show over the pump. So once the value is normalized from the field, so it will be hide or disappear. And once the pump trip signal is activated from the field, it should show like that indication. So let's jump into the configuration side, how we can configure it, the text with the background color. So we'll open the graphic designer in the WinCC Explorer, and we already developed this graphics screen in our previous tutorial. We'll open the same. So our graphic designer screen is open now. So we'll select the static text and we'll paste over the form. I'll write the text strip. Then effect global color scheme, I will put it no. I'll again write strip, press enter key. Then effect global color scheme no. And after that, come here in the font area, just increase the font. For example, I will put 20. Okay, fine. And I will increase the width a little bit more. Okay, fine. Okay. So after that, come in the font area, align X alignment, I will put in center, and while Y alignment also I will put in the center. Okay. After that, come in the color, the background color, I will put the red with the 30% transparency, and I will also change the border color also red, and then style, I will increase the weight of line. Okay, fine. Okay. And then in here SVG library, and come here the diagnostic overlay and select the information basis, some critical signal. Okay. And just put it here. Okay. Suppose I want to put same color as in my SVG object. So what I have to do here color, and then just select the same color. And then I can use the HTML code or put the same color in the line. So fine. Uh, this background I will put 30% transparency. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now I want first I will come here in miscellaneous display. Put it no. Once my runtime screen will open, I never want to display this text. Same for this miscellaneous display. Select no. Okay. Now, second thing, what I want to change the background color. So come in the flashing and I will this flashing background active. Select it yes. Now what I want once the is true, then the same color should appear, and once false, then the 30%, and here I will also put the transparency 30%. So then the background should blink once the value is once it's visible, and background should be blink. So just save it. And one more thing, I will add I will link my tab display, right click, dynamic dialog, and select the tab and pump trip. Select the pump trip and then select the red tab boolean. One. Once the signal is true, only in that case this should display. We click at OK. Similar manner. SVG object also display, right click, dynamic dialog. For this, I also want once the trip signal is true, in that case, this should be visible. Otherwise, this should not be visible. Press OK and okay, fine. Okay, here one more thing I want. Here we can even also control the blinking like you want. If you want blink fast or slow, we can control. But I will put for this tutorial just medium. Save it and after that run the application. So our runtime application is open. So as you can see, we configure once the value is true. Right now, the signal is not activated from field. If the trip is activated from field, so as you can see, it's visible, and then we configure the background color should be changed. The background color is blinking. Suppose, as client said that they don't like this type of animation, so we can configure it a little bit different way. Come again here in the graphic designer area, in the flashing. So we can put the background transparency 100%. So just save it and run it. So in this case, the background color will not be put it yellow. It is just red and the 100% transparent. Still, client is not happy. Go back again. We'll modify it a little bit more. In this time, we are not interested to put it the animate the background. We'll animate the border line border. So I want once the value is um, off line, then it should show yellow, and the other case it should show the original border color. So let's save it, run it. So as you can see, now our background is static, and our border color text border color is dynamic now, and it's changing. once the signal will be true, and then it will appear and the border will be changed. Still, if client want to change the text color also to animate with some color, so we can also do like again select and comment flashing area. Here also just flashing text active, put it yes, double click it, and after that you have to match. Suppose the off color for line is yellow, so here we have to also put off color line yellow, and then on color should be the same, and save it and run. So as you can see now, okay, I want this selected flashing, and I want this should be black or any color, it's up to you. So as you can see now, our text also animating and the border also animating. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this video how we can change the color of text background. Then we'll learn how we can change and animate the text border line, and then we learn how we can animate the text itself, text color, how we can animate the text color. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.